Your check engine light is on, you scan the car, and the code P0401 shows up. Before you replace parts or assume the worst, stop and understand what this code really means. P0401 means the engine computer has detected insufficient exhaust gas recirculation flow. In simple terms, the engine is not receiving the expected amount of exhaust gas through the EGR system. When this happens, combustion temperatures increase and the engine computer turns on the check engine light. To understand why P0401 appears, you first need to understand how the EGR system works. The exhaust gas recirculation system is designed to route a small amount of exhaust gas back into the intake. This lowers combustion temperatures and reduces harmful nitrogen oxide emissions. The EGR system does not improve performance, but it plays a critical role in emissions control and engine efficiency. The engine computer controls EGR operation based on engine load, temperature, and driving conditions. When conditions are correct, the EGR valve opens and allows exhaust gas to flow. The computer then monitors sensors to confirm that the expected amount of flow actually occurred. If the flow is lower than expected, the P0401 code is triggered. One of the most common mistakes people make with a P0401 code is immediately replacing the EGR valve. While a failed EGR valve is possible, it is not always the real problem. In many cases, the valve is working, but exhaust flow is restricted elsewhere in the system. Carbon buildup is one of the most common causes of insufficient EGR flow. Over time, exhaust gases leave behind carbon deposits. These deposits can clog EGR passages, intake runners, or the EGR valve itself. Even if the valve opens correctly, restricted passages can prevent proper flow. Vacuum-controlled EGR systems can also cause issues. If the EGR valve relies on vacuum to open, any vacuum leak or faulty control solenoid can prevent proper operation. Cracked vacuum hoses, loose connections, or a failed vacuum solenoid can all lead to a P0401 code. Electronically controlled EGR valves can fail in different ways. The valve may stick, respond slowly, or fail to open fully. Electrical issues such as wiring damage, poor connections, or sensor faults can also prevent correct operation. The differential pressure feedback sensor, or EGR flow sensor, plays an important role in monitoring EGR operation. If this sensor becomes clogged with carbon or sends incorrect data, the engine computer may think flow is insufficient, even if it is not. This can trigger a P0401 code without a true mechanical failure. Before replacing any parts, proper diagnosis is critical. Start by scanning the vehicle for additional trouble codes. Related EGR, airflow, or sensor codes can help point you in the right direction. P0401 is often a symptom rather than the root cause. Next, inspect the EGR valve and surrounding components. Look for obvious signs of carbon buildup, damaged wiring, or loose connectors. On many engines, carbon buildup is visible once components are removed. Vacuum lines should be inspected carefully if the system uses vacuum control. Check for cracked hoses, disconnected lines, or brittle rubber. Even a small vacuum leak can prevent the EGR valve from opening properly. If accessible, remove the EGR valve and inspect it closely. A valve stuck closed due to carbon deposits is a very common cause of insufficient flow. In some cases, careful cleaning can restore proper operation. EGR passages in the intake manifold should also be checked. These passages can become completely blocked by carbon. Cleaning the valve alone may not fix the problem if the passages remain clogged. Live data from a scan tool can be very helpful during diagnosis. Monitor commanded EGR position and compare it to actual feedback. If the computer commands the valve open but sees no change, restricted flow or sensor issues are likely. Engine performance symptoms associated with P0401 can vary. Some vehicles may run normally with only the check engine light on. Others may experience pinging, knocking, higher engine temperatures, or poor fuel economy. These symptoms occur because combustion temperatures increase when EGR flow is insufficient. Because the EGR system does not directly control fuel or spark, many people ignore a P0401 code. However, ignoring EGR problems can lead to increased emissions and long-term engine damage. Higher combustion temperatures can stress internal engine components over time. After repairs or cleaning are completed, clear the code and test drive the vehicle. Monitor EGR operation and ensure the engine computer no longer detects insufficient flow. It may take several drive cycles for the system to fully verify proper operation. In many cases, cleaning carbon buildup, repairing vacuum leaks, fixing wiring issues, or restoring sensor operation will clear the P0401 code. Replacing parts without testing often leads to wasted money and repeat problems. Always diagnose first, understand how the system works, and fix the root cause. Taking the time to test properly saves money and prevents unnecessary repairs. Before replacing parts, check our channel for more diagnostic tips and real-world fixes. Fix Car Codes helps you understand the problem before you spend your money.